guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm QuoiaLen if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back. So the other day I watched TooMuchMouth's video where she did the 3-minute makeup challenge. So here I am here today to do the 3-minute makeup challenge. Nobody in their right mind can actually do makeup in 3 minutes, but I'm gonna give it a whirl and we're gonna see how it goes. I know I'm gonna fail at this, but at least I can say I tried. I mean, I'm in quarantine. What else can I really be doing right now? So yeah. So if you want to see me make a catastrophe of myself, just keep on watching. So I already have everything in front of me that I'm going to need. I'm just going to start my timer. We'll get my timer set and then I'm going to start it. Okay, it's on 3 minutes. I don't care if you can see it. There we go. Got the 3 minutes set. Hopefully my phone don't close. Let me see if I can adjust those settings actually. So I turn my auto lock off so when I screen record the timer it can always be on. And yeah, that's everything I needed to do. I'm gonna turn on the screen record and we're about to get busy. Let me get a little drink. Best tea ever. Peach tea from Lipton. But anyway, this is gonna be so funny when I freaking edit it, because I'm not really gonna edit it because it's gonna be what, 8-ish minute video or something like that, because I talk too fucking much like I'm doing right now. But I'm not gonna speed up anything so you can see me in real time. But yeah, so let's get this show on the road. I'm going to hit start. Let go. Too lazy to apply primer anyway, because it's just gonna come right off. Oh, fuck. Bro, it's already 2 freaking minutes, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, come on. Face on. Let's go ahead and do mascara, because why not? I'm doing these steps all out of order from what I normally do. It's okay. It's okay. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, let's go with concealer. I do have a palette, but I don't care if I'm gonna get to that part. Why did I put concealer on? You know what? Fuck it. At this point, fuck it. Bro, I got 50 seconds. Bro, what the freak? Who can do their makeup in 30 seconds? I need to blend this all the way. What the fuck? Okay. I forgot to pull out a powder. I forgot to pull out a powder. Frick me. Frick. seconds. Oh man, bro, I got bruh. Damn it. Okay, so I'm not mad at it. I mean, besides me only getting to just one eye, I'm actually about to go do this other eye and then I'll come back and talk to y'all. Okay, so I went ahead and just finished putting the eyeshadow on my eyes, and that was literally all I did. Interesting challenge. Yeah, I'll never be able to do my makeup in 3 minutes unless I'm just doing like foundation, concealer, and bronzer. That's literally all I would have time for, because yeah, I didn't, you saw I got to 1/4 of my eye. I sucked at this challenge and it's totally okay. It's okay. It was just something fun to do while we were in quarantine, y'all. Don't take it seriously. Don't come for my makeup in the comments. Honestly, the foundation and the concealer was really all I needed. But I did decide that I'm actually going to show y'all my 10-15 minute makeup routine. I'm not really sure how long it takes me when I do that one. When I do my actual everyday makeup looks or whatever. But I think it's around 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to actually time myself, and then once I get the video posted, you'll know how long it actually takes me through the title. But anywho, back to this video. Yeah, I just thought this was gonna be something fun I could do while I've been bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get this foundation changed. I do really like the Clinique Beyond Perfecting, but I'm now seeing that it's too red for me. But I feel like the one up from this was too light, but whatever. That's not what this video is about. But yeah, y'all, this is the completed look. This is the completed video. I can't do that. I can't be timed, like actually timed doing my makeup, because it was in my mind, I was frazzled. It was a tragedy. I cannot, like, I can't. I literally cannot. Oh, quick side note. Have y'all been seeing them tweets on Twitter where it be like, British people be like, and it'll like spell out how they talk in the tweet? I'm gonna find a couple and put them on the screen so y'all can see and laugh with me. And if I can find that girl's TikTok where she was just reading all of the the tweets, I'm gonna put it in here so y'all can see, because I died laughing.
We'll be like, it's Tuesday, innit? British people watching Spider-Man be like, Peter Parker. British people be like, can I get a bowl of water? British people get mad and be like, are you fucking stupid? British people getting stabbed and be like, oi there mate, bit rude to put that knife in my chest, innit?
Anyway, quarantine got me really bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far and you're not already part of the QuoiaLen family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl makes an upload, y'all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.